Should I? I don't think I have, actually. Hey guys, it's me. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. And I know I should be doing a review, but first off, I want to do something random. And that is, I want to my 3DS. I know. This is a toy-focused channel, but I don't have to explain myself. This is my own channel. I get to do whatever I want. So the problem with this 3DS is that his home button doesn't work, and that the abxy buttons are kind of worn out. So I'm gonna replace the home button first because it's what came first. So let's do that. Also, I'm so sorry if this is like really sloppy work and I don't have the proper tools, because I really don't have the proper tools to do this. And as you can see, I did put tape there because the stylus was loose. So yeah, let's do this. You know, this once broke my 3DS. Well, not exactly, but I think I removed it once and it stopped working. But like, after we got it fixed, for some reason, when I got it back, the home button wasn't working. And it was like that for like 5-10, actually not 10 years, but like, it took me a while before I got to see what the damage was. And now that I actually opened this already to see what the damage was, and it was a ripped ribbon cable. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna replace it, and we're going to not do it right because I'm too scared to actually take this thing apart, and my hands are too shaky. Okay. Just have to... Oh my gosh, this is like kind of scary because I don't really deal with electronics. I deal with toys more. Where are my... Okay, so we're just gonna take this piece out. Viewers discretion advised. This is gonna be some gory things because I am not a professional when it comes to these things. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. And this is hell, to be honest. I have to take every single part of this out. Maybe not every single part, but like, just that was terrible. I'll probably just pull this piece out, right? Probably just pull it out with tweezers. I'm so sorry about this, guys. I'm so sorry. I can't even pull it out. I don't think I should be using my hands for this. Okay. Ribbon cable's good. This is a problem. I had a hard time taking this out for the first time, but I feel like just... That is scary. That is just scary right there. Okay, I'm freaking out. This is... I don't do this. Okay, we can do this. It's just taking apart your one and only 3DS. That's really expensive nowadays. It's no big deal. It is no big deal. Gosh, no, not like this. Please? Okay. Oh, that was horrible! Pull this out. Okay. And as for this, just have to pull this out. Pull it out. Very carefully. Okay. That's fine. Also pull this out. and not rip it. Okay, this is not good for me health. I don't know what to do anymore. No one fixes 3DSs these days, so I have to do this myself. Okay, oh, I did it! Now I just have to do this part and lift the whole board up. Oh, okay, almost forgot this. Almost forgot about this. Okay. Okay, I just want to lift this up. Okay. Okay, so this is the part where I don't remove this fully because it is hell. I'm not doing that. So, just gonna pull that out carefully. And then we're just gonna take these screws out carefully and nicely. I don't even know why I'm rushing this. I'm my own customer. Just want to remove this part. And this piece, we're just gonna... Oh, don't do that! Okay. I think we're good. Okay, now we just want to lift this part. So we're gonna lift it up. Okay, gonna lift it up. Lift it. Lift it. Okay. Now, we take one of these babies right here. Okay, slowly, slowly lift. You place this here. Okay, I should probably not do that. I feel like that's gonna break it, but... Okay. Then... what's next? Now, I will be fixing this. I'm just waiting for the part, and I was too excited to... I was too excited to get a home button back, so... Okay. Okay. We're doing great. We're doing great. We are doing spectacular. Okay. Okay. I forgot about this. Okay. It's fine. What choice do I have? Okay, what if, hear me out, I just do this. Oh my goodness, this is... Holy crap, I have to clean this. Good grief. I'm sorry about the nasty 3DS. The thing is... The rubber thing, like, I can't even explain it. I can't explain what happened. I think I should, like, do this. And then plug it in. As I feel like they'll do it some just... Oh, hey, it does. Oh my gosh, why didn't I do that? Okay. Okay, I finally got that one clear ribbon out. That was painful. So, let's put the rest of this back on now. Out of all the ribbons, that clear one is the one I hate the most. I finally got it. I finally got the ribbon in. Now I gotta deal with the rest of the screws. Hopefully, nothing goes wrong with this, right? Okay, moment of truth. Green light. Orange light. Shoot. Shit. Okay, so apparently I just didn't put in the ribbon correctly. Okay. Okay. Seems to work. Kind of. Light up. Yes! Okay. 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 So, let's say I want to open... But, oh crap. Okay! Okay. For the first time in like 7 years, I finally got to open the home but I got to use the home button. Also, yeah, I did mod my 3DS. Let's say I wanted to play Moon. Okay. Now I want to go home. It's working! Finally! Oh my gosh! Yes! Success! What was that? What was that just now? I did not... What was that? That was not... But anyways, that was a success. Let's wait a few... Let's skip to the day I get the new buttons.
Later.
Package arrived. Let's do this again. My gosh, that it's only one. I only get one. All right. I'm actually starting to think if I should post this or not. Professional people are gonna see this and they're gonna be like, "Oh my gosh, what is this kid doing?" or something. Don't flame me in the comments, guys. This is actually, I'm not a professional. So we just wanna take this out for now, and this one we'll just wanna also take out for now, because we don't want to risk it. And for this, I'm taking this off camera. Okay, now let's try to clean this up a bit so it's squeaky clean. There we go, that's what I'm talking about. Okay. No. What the flip? Don't tell me it's the wrong size. Like, are you serious? Are you actually serious? This is the wrong... Okay, before I fully, you know, I didn't fully stick the thing in because I wanted to be sure. I want to make sure if this actually works, or else I have to put the old sticker back. Let's see. Just making sure. No, I can see the ribbon. Okay, we're not gonna put in all the screws. We're just putting these in just so I can make sure it's secure for now. Taking a mighty long time to start there, buddy. I can't tell, honestly. I know exactly where to test this. I think it's okay. I guess I'm satisfied with this. I guess this was a success. I mean, it works, doesn't it? I think it works better than before. So don't worry, guys, I'm gonna be making more reviews after this video. I just did this video first because, you know, I wanted to show my love for my 3DS, and that I really wanted to do this, I guess, to the point where I waited a couple of days for these buttons to arrive, when I could have just been making more toy reviews while waiting for it, but I didn't. So yeah, I guess that's all. I'm gonna charge this baby and continue playing Pokemon peacefully, and also making toy reviews.